Good morning, students. Chapter Rise of a Mahatma is going on. In this chapter, we have studied about the life of Mahatma Gandhiji. Gandhiji found the Indian society plagued with many social evils such as the caste system, untouchability, and many others. He soon realized that only a unified India could stand against the British government and win independence. Students, today we are going to discuss about Rowlatt Act. The British introduced the Rowlatt Act in 1919. In 1919, the British government passed the Rowlatt Act, which gave it power to arrest anyone without a warrant suspected of sedition. The Indian leaders described the Rowlatt Act as black law because it deprived people of their basic rights. On Gandhi's call, protests against the Rowlatt Act were organized at various places in the country. During one such protest, about 5,000 people gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar on April 13, 1919. It was a peaceful gathering, but the British military commander General Dyer ordered firing on the unarmed gathering. About 1,500 people were killed and 12 wounded in the firing. Student, you have to remember the Jallianwala Bagh is a historic garden and memorial of national importance in Amritsar. India preserved in the memory of those wounded and killed in the Jallianwala Bagh massacre that occurred on the site on the festival of Baisakhi 13th April 1919. Now we are going to discuss about Khilafat movement. The Indian Muslims felt betrayed after the First World War. The Sultan of Turkey was considered the supreme religious leaders of the Muslim. The British had promised that the powers of Khilaf would not be taken away after the war. Since Turkey supported Germany against Britain in the First World War, the British went back on their word. This bitter situation led to the beginning of the Khilafat movement. Now we are going to talk about non-cooperation movement. Mahatma Gandhi started the non-cooperation movement in 1921 on the principles of Satyagraha. Thousands joined the non-cooperation movement, including students and women. Gandhiji called for the boycott of British goods and the British law courts. He also emphasized on using khadi and charkha, giving up honorary titles like Rai Bahadur and Khan Bahadur, etc., and giving importance to Hindu-Muslim unity. Unfortunately, the non-cooperation movement was withdrawn by the Gandhiji on 5 February 1922. Student, you have to read this topic from your book. So listen and watch this video carefully. Student, you have to remember Rowlatt Act, Khilafat movement and non-cooperation movement of the Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.